Today we're going to bring a ceiling fan, and this ceiling fan comes with the actual module to control it with a remote. All right, you got your remote. It has 1 all the way through 5 and 6, of course, stop, and different light modes. You could set up to 2 hours, and then you could rotate forward or reverse, and also set up your phone with it too. So today we're going to set this up, and it's very simple. You got hot and neutral, and you also got ground that's included on the actual module itself. All right, just important. All right, this is magnetic. All right, this is the LED light that you need to connect. All right, that's going to be down the line, so maybe you want to leave this open. Now here we have lined it up. Right now I am going to put the actual whole thing together because it's very simple. It's just a plug and play. I am going to connect the actual module box already up there, so it's much easier when I'm able to connect this across. You have options here. You could go wood side or silver side. Now these are replaceable. All right, just make sure they have the 3 holes. All right, and let's go and set these up. They have different colors that you could buy too, and of course we set up the whole thing already, unit. So the bottom plate, don't forget this one. This is important. This one doesn't have magnet, but there's underneath one, there's another one, and this thing actually grabs onto the whole thing itself. So all right, we went with the short long neck. If you guys can see that, this is a long one. Here's the finished product. It took me about an hour to set this up, and we have the controller here. We're going to change the lighting effect. All right, right now we're going to change the tone of the light. So if you guys can see it, 1 tone, 2, and 3, and then goes back to daylight mode. To sleep mode, pretty much it dims the whole thing down. And then we're going to go back to the higher speeds. We're going to do speed number 1. All right, you're going to see it. That's number 1. And we choose gray, as you can see. And then we're going to go to 6. Speed 6. And you could really feel the air here. Pretty much going everywhere. That's 6. Very quiet. On the app, you could actually go from 1. All right, you could click 1 all the way to 6. All right, from the 6, you could. I'm gonna stop the actual fan right now because I don't want to distract you from the light. In the lighting effects, we could also change them there, and we put the lighting effect too. So we're gonna change it to different modes. All right, there you go. 1 mode, 2, and 3. You can do that all within the application. And of course, you could turn it off, the light, and you could turn them all off too. So very simple.